Are you a podcaster looking to create content to build your brand awareness on Instagram? If so, I'm going to show you how I repurpose mine and my clients' podcasts to create engaging Instagram video and text carousels. The first step I take is to head over to their YouTube page and download the latest podcast episode. The second step after I've downloaded the podcast episode from YouTube is to upload that same episode to an AI tool called Video.ai. Video.ai is an awesome AI tool that allows you to upload your videos, and it will suggest different engaging clips from that particular episode. Video.ai does a great job of making suggestions, but to take it a step further, what I do is after I find the clips that I like from their suggestions, I will then go and download it without any captions. Which brings me to my third step, taking the video clips that I liked from Video.ai without captions and uploading them into the program called Descript. Descript is a software that allows you to edit video clips just like a Word document. After I've uploaded it into Descript, I can then further customize it, taking out any ums or awkward pauses, and I'm able to add music, GIFs, and customize captions. Now that we have the video part done, it's time to move on to step number 4, which is going into Canva. Within the Canva software, I'm going to make my text elements of this particular carousel. Make sure that your Canva size is the same size as the video. So if it's 1080 by 1080, ensure that your Canva template is also 1080 by 1080. Then I further customize it. Maybe I add the podcast thumbnail episode, maybe I have an engaging question, and then a reminder for people to check out the full episode. So after I've gathered all of my assets, we have the YouTube video that went into Video.ai, took the clips from Video.ai and put them into Descript, further customized it in Descript and downloaded that video. Then I also made my additional text graphics in Canva. Now we can put them all together for our 5th and final step, which is uploading them into Instagram. So pretty much you will make a multiple post, being able to click on the image that you want to be first, and then click on the video element if that is where you would like it to go, and then click on your ending element, being able to complete your carousel. Now, you don't have to make 3 pages, you can make more. You can add more videos, but this is just a standard way that I create engaging carousels for myself and for my clients. Do you have a podcast? Drop the name of your podcast in the comments below and I'll take a look at it. If you would like a more in-depth step-by-step tutorial on how to get this done, check the link in the bio where you can download the SOP for creating Instagram video carousels. Be sure to check out the next video as I continue to share with you all ways to create more content in less time.